I don't wanna talk pala. The Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez! Hello, oh my God, Miss Reg, thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure to be part of your very special night, Klang. I was in your very first one.
Yes.
Diyan sa kanto lang. Diyan lang sa kanto. And, you know, back then, I was very proud of you already. Natutuwa ako na ang daming blessings na natatanggap mo at ibinibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit po, Miss Reg?
Pwede huwag maingay. Serious to eh. Because you waited. You waited, and you waited for a long time. And I'm sure a lot of those times you were already questioning if it's ever gonna come your way. And finally, it's here. So we are all very proud of you. Lahat ng taong nandito ang ipinunta, ikaw.
Thank you so
Kami,
much.
ikaw ang ipinunta. So,
Maraming salamat, Miss Reg.
congratulations. I just want to say that I'm very proud of you sa maikling panahon na nagkakilala tayo. Siguro mga 30 years na, no? Oo. Napakabait po nitong taong ito. Kaya ang masasabi ko lang ay, deserve!
Ay, deserve! Thank you so much, Miss Reg. Alam niyo naman po, isa ko po talaga sa mga inspirasyon ko ever since.
Talaga
And
ba?
tama ka, Miss Reg, yung unang concert ko na doon ka rin po sa kabilang kanto.
Kanto lang.
And to be fair po, parehong walang TF. Ganyan ka ba?
Alam ko yun, may TF ako!
Ay! Ala!
Yung TF mo napunta sa akin.
Ganun po ka-generous ang Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Isang mo naman. Ooh! Wala bintang Jenny.
Thank you for having me, and again, congratulations. May God bless you more.
Maraming salamat, Miss Reg. Thank you so much.
salamat po sa
And remember once again, Miss Regine Velasquez.